My dear English learner and English speaker, welcome back to my new video. You are most welcome again in my video. In this video, I am going to discuss about some main points of English speaking, and I will discuss some main points about the English speaking, that why you can't able to speak English and what is the main problem behind this. And in this video, I am going to discuss some main points that why we can't able to speak English fluently and why we are not able to speak in front of the people English fluently and confidently. So guys, I hope you all are so fine and fantastic. So without loss of time, I am going to start our session. So before watch the complete video, you have to subscribe this channel so that you can learn many things from my video and you can also speak English fluently and confidently like us. So let's try. I am going to tell you that why you are not able to speak English. Yes, I thought that I should make video related to this topic because many people and many my viewer, many subscriber had commented me that even I am struggling a lot and still I am not able to speak English. So what is the main reason behind it? I thought that I should make a video related to this topic, and today I am ready to discuss about this topic, that why you are not able to speak English and what is that mistake which you are doing and why you are not able to speak English. Yes, because there are not anyone who don't want to speak English nowadays, because we all know that what is the importance of English nowadays. So every person learn this language nowadays, and many person are doing anything, they are doing anything to learn this language. Many people had joined any class, and many people are watching online videos, and many person are reading books, but they are not still success. And what is the reason behind that, and what kind of mistake you are doing that you are not learning the English and you are not able to speak the English. So let's start. First thing, we are not able to speak English in front of people because we think negativity. We always think negativity in our mind. First thing are coming negativity thoughts. Yes, due to negativity think, we are not able to speak English of in front of the people. Yes, negativity is that you are thinking that I cannot speak English like the any people, because you are always compared than others. And I always suggest you that don't ever try to compare with the other people. You are thinking that he is speaking very good English and I cannot speak the English. So this is the negativity you are thinking like this. Because when I was also starting the conversation with somebody, and when I was trying to conversation with someone, that I was thinking that he is speaking very good English, and in front of them, how can I how can I speak English in front of them? So I was also thinking like this, and that's the reason it takes time to refine yourself. So if you are also thinking like this, so it will be not better for you, because you are always thinking negativity, and you should not compare to others, and you have to do. Yes, yes guys, you are thinking negativity and you should not worry about that thing, that don't ever try to compare with the others, because you are the director of your body and your mind. You can do anything as your mind says, and you have to do like this, because you are the director of yourself. There are not any director in your body, so you are the director of yourself in your mind. You can control your mind as your direction. So don't ever try to compare with the others people, because if you will compare than others, you will never try to speak English and you will never try to speak in front of the people. Second thing, why we are not able to speak English in front of people. I think second thing is you are not getting environment. Environment means in our society you are not finding the people who are speaking English with you, and you have not any friends to speak with you, and this is also the main reason that you are not able to speak English. Third thing, you are afraid from this language. Yes, third thing is you are afraid from this language. You are afraid from this language. You have afraid, and you are not comfortable of this language. That's the reason when you ever try to speak English with someone, you are not speaking English, you are not able to speak English like this. So that's the reason also that you are afraid from this language, because we are thinking that this is very very difficult to learn this language. So I always suggest you that this is only just a language, and you all should not afraid from this language, because any types not only English, any kind of language can be easily understand and easily speak by the practice and by the listen. So how can we learn this language easily? So I always suggest those people who want to learn and who are struggling, and who have struggled a lot, and they are still struggling. So I always suggest you that first you have to think that you have to remove this negativity, that this is just a language and you should not worry about this language, and you should not afraid from this language, because this is just a language, and this language can be also learnt, yes, without join any class and without going anywhere, and you should not going here and there for learn this language. Yeah, and you should not waste your money for learn this language also. So you should learn this language, and you can learn this language yourself without going anywhere and without going here and there, and don't waste your time for going here and there, because I saw that many people are going here and there to learn this language, because they are confused, they are not understand that what should I do, because they are still struggling, and many people have struggled more than 1 year, more than 2 year, but whenever they try to speak in front of the people, they are not able to speak. That's the reason, because they have not confidence. Yeah, and they made this language like tough. So this is not tough, you can learn this language easily. Yes, so what should you do? That you should also learn this language. First thing, you are thinking negativity, that this is very very difficult to speak, because you are thinking always negativity. Yeah, and I said that don't compare with the others people who are speaking good English, because you are thinking that he is speaking good English. So you should think that when did he start, so what was the his reaction, what was his ability, that he is now speaking good English. That was like you, and you are the learner, and you should not worry about that. And you have to speak anything. When you will not speak anything, you will never speak English fluently and confidently, and you will not speak English, you are not able to speak English in front of the people, because you don't try to speak, and you are shy, and you are afraid from this language. And you should not afraid from this language, because this is just a language, and any language can be learned if you want. So first thing you have to if you are nowadays everybody has a mobile phone, and if you are trying to improve your speaking English by watching videos, so it is also the right way to speaking English fluently and confidently. First you have to watch the English movies or any types of cartoon videos like this. After that you have to watch completely. After that you have to listen. After that you have to writing. After that you have to try to speak. You have to try to speak anything. You have to try to speak anything in English. You have to try to speak something, yeah, every day, and definitely you will speak English. You are not trying to speak. Yeah, that's the main reason. Main reason is for not you are not able to speak English. That's the main reason, is that you are not try to speak English something. You have to try to speak. When you will try to speak, definitely you can speak English. That's the reason. So guys, in this video that's enough. We shall meet in another video. If you are new in this video, please subscribe my channel, so that you can also learn many things from me. Yeah.